Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I would like to tell about myself so we all know each other better. My name is Ismadila Syahdania. You can call me Ima. I was born on the 2 January 2004 in Bekasi. I'm 17 years old. I come from Bekasi. My address is Telaga Asih, number 152, Cikarang Barat, Bekasi. I live with my parents and sister. I'm a student. I go to UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. I am a new student or first semester student. I love reading book very much when I have free time. I dream to have a personal library at home. Besides that, I also like reading, cooking, and watching movies. If you have this same hobby with me, I think we can be good friends. The reason I chose sociology is because I believe that sociology can provide us with knowledge with sensitivity of taste, softness of intention, and sharpness of thought. I want to study how the social world works, including the causes and consequences of human behavior in groups and societies. Sociology involves learning about the interesting features of society, including culture, organization, social issues, kind, and diversity, which allows me to see the world in a new way. I will be able to use the skills I have learned to positively influence the community you live in. I think it is a good chance to learn many things here with all of you. My dream is to become an office worker. I want to be a human research development and successful businessman. Hopefully, my dream can come true. That's all from me. I hope we can get along. Thank you for your attention. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.